Hello and welcome back to another episode of MTD CNC North America. Today I have a real great pleasure to share with you Allied Tool and Die based here in Phoenix, Arizona with my buddy Bill. This company has been around for 70 years and we are on third generation, starting with manual machines as most of us did 70 years ago, and now with some of the best machines from around the world. So Bill, thank you so much for being a part of MTD.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for having us on MTD, and thank you very much for letting me share a little bit of the history of my company. It's exciting, and it's a company that's near and dear to my heart. I think the first time I worked here, I was 12 years old, and it was the summer, and my dad said, "You will go to work." And I was like, okay. I still remember it because I came down here, and they wouldn't let me drive the forklift because I was only 12. And so when everyone went on break, I went outside, got in the forklift, and did a bunch of Brodies in the dirt. I don't know if you know what a Brody is, but you crank the wheel all the way one way and you put your foot on the gas and you spin. It was probably the stupidest thing I ever did as a kid. Could have fallen over and killed myself, but I'm here, thank goodness.
Thank goodness for all of us.
Thank goodness. But I do love this company, and I do love the history that we have. My grandfather started the company in 1951 with a couple of other gentlemen, and over the next 10 years they went from building tools and dies into part production. Hones, lathes, little parts, mainly turned items, and they made it for the aerospace industry. As the decade ended, he bought out his partners and became the sole owner. And then he got into more machining, bought some mills, bought some more lathes. Then he bought some presses and bought some other items to go into the tool and die business headlong. We did a lot of high-speed stamping, normal stamping, deep draw, anything with sheet metal. My grandfather did pass away in the mid-'80s, and my father took over, and he was an electrical engineer, and he brought in laser cutting. We were the first company in Arizona to offer laser cutting as a job shop process, and we've been doing laser cutting ever since. My father increased the company in size and in scope, laser cutting into CNC machining in the late 90s, and then he passed away in the year 2000. My mother took over as president and had several people to help her run it and grow the company. We increased our CNC machining, went into 3-axis, into 4-axis, and grew even more on the sheet metal side as well. I took over in 2015 as the CEO, and I've been making us grow into 4- and 5-axis machining ever since. We've also grown into 5-axis laser cutting now. And so I'm very proud of the company. I started here not just when I was 12, but I started here out of high school, and my father put me into the lowest position, which was the deburr assistant, and I learned how to take care of parts. I also learned how easy it is to scrap a part. You can take $1,000 piece, and if you go at it with the wrong tool on deburr, it's now a paperweight. I didn't do that, thank goodness, but I did learn what not to do. I grew up through the company, learning in the press room and how to make parts and set up machines. I went into production control and then into quality myself. I opened up a machine shop in Mexico, and it's been going strong for the last 10 years. I love making parts. I love manufacturing. It's a passion of mine. I love just to make stuff. But when I can look out here and look at my shop, and this is just one of the 3 buildings that we have here at our Arizona facility, and this is our CNC shop, I am just filled with pride that we make parts in the USA. Manufacturing is only 10% of the US economy right now, but we are such a proud 10%, we're such a good 10% that no one can stand next to us. It is amazing what we can do and what we can manufacture, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of all the employees that I have, and I'm proud of the work that they put out. So over these years, I've had a lot of experience in buying different equipment and looking at different equipment, measuring the output of the different equipment, and I have found that if you invest wisely and do your preventive maintenance, most of all, the equipment will pay for itself and it will keep running year after year after year. And it's very important. Now, one of the things that I have really taken to heart since I started working here, and my dad kind of instilled it in me, is the quality of your parts. He always told me, if you make a right part and you deliver it on time, everything else will take care of itself. And so that's something that I've embraced ever since. The driving force here that I've put out is quality. If you buy a part from us, it's going to be correct. That's it. It's to print or it's not. It's what you need or it's not. And so quality, that's the driving force here. That's what I believe in. Second after that is delivery. You need the part and you need it on time. That's what I'm here for. The quality part when you need it. Beyond that is the price. I believe we're competitive, and I know we're competitive because we get the work. But the fact is, we're not as cheap as some of the other shops. We are an aerospace shop, we're a top quality shop, and that's what you get. Top quality parts on time. So I love manufacturing. I love the company history that I have. I'm proud to be a third generation owner, and this is just amazing. I love making parts in the United States. So if you want to reach out to contact me, please do go to my website at alliedtool.com, ALLIEDTOOL.com, and it's an American business based in Arizona. We're here to serve you.
Well, Bill, on behalf of MTD CNC, we wish you multiple more generations and much more success and continued growth. Thank you for sharing your story. I know there's some inspired people out there, and I look forward to seeing how many people communicate with you to get their parts done here with some of the most elite machines on the planet.
Thank you very much, and I appreciate it, and you guys have a great day.